Hello, my dear children. Welcome for your grammar class. Now, children, in our last class, I taught you about singular noun and plural noun. I gave you lot many worksheets. Hope you're clear with the concept of singular noun and plural noun. Okay. Now, today I'm going to start something new that is about, I'm going to teach you about article. Okay. So, we will learn today about articles. Okay. So let me stick it here. So children, what is article? Now article is a word that is used to modify a noun, and it is always used before a noun. These words are used before noun. So what is noun? Hope you're clear with it. Noun is a name of a person, place or a thing. Okay, it names a person, place or a thing. So articles are the word I said. I said a word. Now what are those words? It is a, let me stick it here, a, an, the. Okay, the. So it is a word that modifies a noun and it is used before a noun. So what are those words? It is a, and, the. Okay. Now articles are also of two types. Okay, two types. What are those? Those are indefinite article, indefinite article. Let me stick it here. And definite article. What is it? Definite article. So a and an are indefinite articles. The is definite articles. Now what is the difference between indefinite and definite articles? Indefinite articles refer to something in general. Okay, so it refers to something or a noun which is in general. So in general, a noun which in general or is commonly used as what? A common noun. So for any common noun words, we will use a and an. Okay, so any common noun, for any common noun, we will use a or an. And here definite articles are used to refer something in specific. So you remember a noun which is used in specific is called as proper noun, right? So for the proper noun words, we will use the. Okay, so we will use these words before a noun. Okay, got it? So let me take few examples to explain. So in our next class, we will study about definite article. Okay, today I'm going to teach you about indefinite articles, that is a and an. Now there is a rule for use of a and before a noun. Okay, now what is that rule? Use of a and depend on opening sound of a noun. Okay, the opening sound of a noun, but not on the actual letter of the sound of the noun, I mean. So it will depend on the opening sound of a noun, not on the actual letter of the noun. Okay, so before starting that, let me ask you, do you remember the 5 vowel sounds or the 5 vowels in the alphabets? That is a, E, I, O, U, right? Now, do you remember the sound, the vowel sound? What is it? A, E, O, okay, So you have to remember these 5 sounds. Whenever these 5 sounds are coming from the first opening sound of a noun, we will use it for an. Apart from that, if there is a sound of a letter, we will use a. Okay, so whenever these 5, any one of this 5 sound is the opening sound of a noun, we will place it for an. Okay, let me take a quick example for it. First example is monkey. Monkey. So what is the opening sound for this noun? M. M. Is it here? No, right? So we will use it for a. a monkey. We always say a monkey. So we are using this word before a noun. We will say a monkey. Okay, a monkey. Now children, let's take another noun word. What is it? Fan. Okay, fan. What is the opening sound of the noun? F. F. Fan. Is it here out of these five vowel sound? No. So we will place it under A. So we always say a fan. Okay, we say a fan. Okay. Now next one is umbrella. Umbrella. So what is the opening sound? A. Umbrella. So is it here? Yes. A. I said a. So we will place it under this A. An. We say an umbrella. An umbrella. Okay. Now next one is uniform. What is it? Uniform. So what is the opening sound? U. So is it under this five vowels? No. Though it is a U vowel, but the opening sound is not a, like umbrella, a, umbrella. So the opening sound was here, the vowel sound is a, right? So but here we say always uniform. So we are saying U, like Y U, okay? U. So it's not, the opening sound is not exactly matching to the vowel sound, right? U vowel sound, that is a, okay? So we will place it under A, okay? We say a uniform, okay? We are not placing this here because the opening sound is not a, right? It is what? It is uniform, right? Uniform. So U is not the vowel sound here, so we will place it under A. Now next one is zebra. So what is the opening sound of this noun? Z. Zebra. Z. So is it here out of these five vowel sound? No. So we will place under A. We say a zebra. Okay, what do we say? A zebra. Now next one, children, I have orange. So what is the opening sound? O. So was it here the sound O, right? So we will place it under an. So we will say an orange. We always say an orange. Now next one is, I have ant. What is the sound of opening sound of the noun? A. So is it here the first one? A. So we will place it under an ant. Okay. Now next one I have is honor. Okay. Now listen to this carefully. Honor. So though it starts with H, but H is silent here. We always pronounce it honor. Okay. It's not honor. It's honor. So we are beginning with the sound of O. Honor. O. So is the vowel sound here? Yes. Can you see? O. So though it is starting with H, H is silent here. We always spell it like O. Honor. So children, we will place it under an honor. Why? Because we are spelling it as, we are pronouncing it as honor. O. So the sound is here for O. Honor. Okay. Now the last one I have is glass. G. Glass. The opening sound is what? G. Glass. So it is a consonant, a normal one. So we will say a glass. Okay. So hope you are clear with A and when to use before a noun. Which one will be used before a noun. I have given you some examples. I'll give you some worksheets also to solve. You'll become more clear with it. In next class, I will tell you about definite noun. Okay. See you in next class, children. Bye-bye.